when I was in school and college while I was studying.
Yeah.
And I saw all these models getting into films. So back then, coming from a small yes, exactly. Arjun, John, Priyanka, Aishwarya.
100%.
I thought probably this is the only way how I can ever get into it.
Yeah.
So I came here with that frame of mind and I started to model. It was going really well. But by the time I started working as an actor, started, doing my thing as an actor, it actually backfired. I would love to work with Anurag Kashyap. I would love to work with Zoya Akhtar. I would love to work with Sriram Raghavan. Neeraj Khaiwan. It's a never-ending list. Alia and Ranveer. I love those. Are such brilliant actors. And so is Ranveer, for that matter. I mean, no, so, like legends like Bachchan Saab, I still feel, he's a fantastic actor. He's a master of his craft.
Yeah.
And how he's put himself very good for so many. In all of us, I think we all look. He's much more cooler than all of us.
And I am Rudrani, and I'm in the beautiful place called Srinagar, Kashmir. Here with a specific purpose on the sets of Tanav, and I'm with an actor who's been around, who's been hustling to come and create his own identity. I'm talking about the very talented Gaurav Arora, and I think he's doing a fab job at that, Gaurav.
Thank you so much, Rudrani. Yes, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure talking to you once.
Of course.
Yeah.
And like I said, we were just discussing that, right? You've started at a point where you remain one of the most popular supermodels of the country.
Thank you.
Pretty much worked for everybody.
Yes.
India, Pakistan, other places, you've done pretty much everything.
Yes. Thank you.
Right? I'm saying research validated. Right? So pretty much every country and legit supermodel. But what happens is when you try to make a transition to acting, you already have judgments about you.
Absolutely.
They're like, oh, he's perfect, he's really pretty, let's focus on this and let's make sure all the women go crazy, and that's the kind of roles you start getting offered.
Yes.
Which are always trying to focus on how you look rather than what you can do.
Yes.
How are you able to break that? Because in the beginning, you start with Love Games, you start that the burn is still there, right? Like they want to give you roles that are slightly more towards in that zone. How did you find you as an actor be able to reach here today? Because such an interesting character that you play right now.
Yeah, that's a wonderful question. Firstly, thank you.
Of course.
See, I believe with OTT, what's happened is all of us, all the creative people, we've gotten this opportunity to showcase our talents. Not just us. Even for audience, I would say that, earlier there was just films and television. You can't go and watch a film every day.
Yeah.
Or television is this huge chunk of audience that doesn't watch television. So there's this void in between for the audience as well. With OTT, that's been taken care of. Now coming to the question, that's been a constant effort, and it's been a conscious choice to get out of that image. I think with me playing Farid in Tanav Season 2, I think it's definitely going to help me create my own set of image that I want as an actor. It actually all started when I was in school and college while I was studying.
Yeah.
And I saw all these models getting into films. So back then, coming from a small... Yes, exactly. Arjun, John, Priyanka, Aishwarya.
100%.
I thought probably this is the only way how I can ever get into it.
Yeah.
So I came here with that frame of mind. And I started to model. It was going really well. But by the time I started working as an actor, started, doing my thing as an actor, it actually backfired. Because the thing had changed by then, the models can't really act. So after that I took a couple of years, I just took an off. There was just a lot of thought that went into it. I never had a plan B. I still won't. So the thing was, if this is it, then I might as well take a break, sit down, think about it. And since then, the only thing that I've done is worked on my craft. Slowly, with time, that's what's happening. And I'm really glad that all these opportunities are coming my way. And people like you and everyone else is noticing that.
Of course.
Thank you.
Noticing that for a while, because, you did that, you tried doing different things in between, right? Once the films were there, I'm sure you were getting similar kind of roles, right?
Well,
that's when you're shaking. I'm sure they keep telling you the female audience will love it and all of that, right?
Yeah.
Because when we look at
I honestly feel after 5 minutes, looks are just kept aside.
Exactly.
You can't really hold the screen you can't engage the audience with just look. And I really don't want that. I mean, I think there's a lot more.
100%.
And I'm trying to explore. And yeah, I mean, it's a journey.
If you, like you said, outsiders don't have like a buffet. कि मेरे पास तो ये भी है तो सब करूँगा try. Like, you do best with what you're getting at that time.
Absolutely.
And you did that. Like, when you got chances like Broken But Beautiful, it was again entering into a zone that you have not done before.
Never before, yeah.
Right? Like, you worked with such talented people. Then you went into Asur,
Yeah.
which apparently Darun also wanted you to do. Was it like a suggestion from somebody also that he do Asur?
No, actually, that was for Chang, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah. Asur was interesting. I mean, it happened at the right time. While Broken was happening, Asur was happening simultaneously. And those were two varied characters.
Exactly.
And that is what, as an actor, you aspire to do. You know, I mean, the best, like you said, you don't get a buffet of projects that are being offered. What happens is, I mean, it's unheard of that once a couple of two films, they were disasters. After that, to come back and to create your own niche, sort of your own zone, it's very difficult.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's what the journey is all about right now.
Yeah.
And I believe next big thing is going to be a lot of small things put together.
Yeah.
It's going to be the next big thing, for me at least.
It's very interesting you said that. Now, because you said about interesting characters, we come to Fareed, of course, and right now. I was extremely interested to see the scene which we were shooting here today, where you ran away after you were a gunshot. We would not like to reveal too many details, but that's a part of the scene. He's obviously batting for the other side.
Yeah, by the way, they're shooting this interview at a live shoot location. There's this crew right behind us.
That was true.
And yeah.
Fascinating, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
So it was great because जब तक हमने देखा था almost 5 takes हो चुके थे, but it's not easy, because I mean it looks like one shot में हो जाएगा, but there are so many cameras, so many takes that have to be perfect. But you must tell me how it has been playing, and I'm saying antagonist makes it feel like it's a particular thing. I feel like gray shades. Every act, so I would want to go there. Was it that interests you so much to sort of figure out who is this person? Why is he like this?
Firstly, I believe stories more or less are all the same.
Yeah.
It's the villains that keep changing.
I love that. Yeah.
So, and the character that I'm playing in Tanav Season 2, Fareed, I wouldn't call it like a typical antagonist or villain weapon. It's a very human story.
Yeah.
He has his reasons, and I have really tried to tap into his psyche and make it as human as possible.
Yeah.
And also, you owe a lot. I mean, it's a very sensitive subject, and it requires a level of you have to be very sensitive while you are dealing with something like this. And I really wish them when people from Kashmir see it, they understand where this guy is coming from, or in general, people across the globe who watches it.
Yeah.
It shouldn't just come across as he's the Kundaya antagonist or whatever.
Yeah.
It's a very human story, and I've tried to really internalize him.
Humanize him.
Humanize him, exactly. Thank you.
I think it'll be, if I'm not saying you judge your character, you don't, right? Like, but if you don't sort of connect with your character, the performance also can't be as real, right? So for you to kind of empathize with him is because आपके track के लिए तो
Absolutely, I believe in the cause. I believe in what he's doing.
And the character, please.
Yes, you see, violence cannot be justified ever. In any form, violence cannot be justified.
100%.
But having said that, when you're playing a character, you have to be honest. Otherwise, it doesn't work. You won't like to be doing that. What I mean, you have to find that nerve, that one first.
Right?
I would like to take, sir. बाकी जो आप देख के बताना मुझे.
You've always said that, if I get enough chances, I will do it. And I think it's also to take the chances, right?
No, I'm absolutely. See, firstly, I'm really thankful that Suhi sir, with the entire team of applause, Mukesh Chabra for that matter, that for me. And now, Rost, I mean, it's been a wonderful journey. Like I said, I'm really trying to humanize him.
Yeah.
Not typical antagonist or villain or nothing of that sort. I hope the audience are able to feel what I am trying to make them feel and what I am feeling in that particular scene. So that's been the
Yeah. So who still remains Gaurav's checklist me? Actor that you want to collaborate with?
Actor. I think at this point, I think it's more of directors. Yeah. In fact, working with Sudhir sir is one of those, one take off your bucket list. So that's been definitely the case. Actors, it's more of directors. Like I would love to work with Anurag Kashyap. I would love to work with Zoya Akhtar. I would love to work with Sriram Raghavan. Neeraj Khairan. It's a never-ending list.
But there is no, I'm sure, collab. But
So, I mean, more there. Even as an actor, like I would love to work with Alia. I think she's a powerhouse of talent. In fact, my favorites are Alia and Ranveer. I love those. Are such brilliant actors. And so is Ranveer, for that matter. I mean, no, so, like legends like Bachchan Saab, I still feel, he's a fantastic actor. He's a master of his craft. And how he's put himself very good for so many. All of us, I think we all look. He's much more cooler than all of us.
That's true.
How does he do it? From the clothes that he wears, from the craft that he...
And rarity, na?
All of it, I don't know. I mean, at this age also, it requires a lot of to be still so dedicated,
So well put. Now, I'll end with the last question.
Yes.
I feel like you've also been able to separate the glamour part of your life, which you come from. You started with the most glamorous field, right?
Right. Yeah.
You've been able to sort of dissociate yourself and concentrate on this inner actor in you, which is very difficult because you're getting 100 advices. Yeah. People are asking you to do certain things, parties mein jao, talk to people. But it's true, I know it, right? Yeah. I feel like, and you're already from that field, so they encourage it further, saying you have to be seen, your Instagram has to be a certain way, and you have to sell that look and all of that. How have you been able to understand which advices don't work for you, Gaurav? Because I feel like you're very secure. It's very difficult to reach the state.
I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it out. But firstly, I feel that judging an actor based on any of these social media platforms to begin with is only wrong. Because it's not an actor's field. It's more of to stay in touch with your like admirers, your fans. It's a brand tool. It's not really a place to judge an actor.
Yeah.
One of these clubs, exactly, I wasn't. I didn't want to name it. Go there, work out, meet people, you'll get... that's not the way. I don't really think it works like that. There have been a lot of theories. Eventually, you got to do what you're comfortable doing. Yeah. Obviously, you have to challenge yourself. But
on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I will not take any more of the time. I have to go back to shooting, of course.
Yes.